I'm gonna try and stick with whatever. Yeah, 18 might be good enough. Okay, let's try to... But where is the full installation? Okay, seems like I've got everything. All right. Let's try... Wait, what is that? Okay. Shift, build. Let's try again. Oh, come on. So it's still missing something, right? I'm gonna try running this manually. Try build. Okay. Let's see. Okay. No, still having issues with that. Bro, what's the matter? Clients not found. What do you mean? Oh, maybe I have to reconfigure. Yeah, probably. What is this? Pending changes now. You don't need to do all of this. All right. Rebuild. No. Make. What is this? How do I reconfigure? Or maybe from here. The status, configure task, run task, refresh the project status. Bro, what is this? Open visibility. Do I have to make? Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna need to remove the whole folder, I guess. All right. Let's try that again. Build is not a directory. Just make it. Not a CMake build a directory. Missing CMake. Maybe I have to go. Yeah, I need to go to modules, projects, and Linux. Yes, I'll do that again. Wait, what? Not C. Oh yeah, because I'm trying to build. All right, I'm just gonna let it do it. Terminal. What? Workspace is error, not a CMake build directory. Yeah, bro, you have to refresh the project. Build, clean, configure. Okay, clean, reconfigure, I guess. All right. Now I should get all the tools. Hopefully. I really hope this works without any issue. Because after this, then I'm gonna try to run the server in Linux. What I'm doing here is that a Linux server is probably the best way to go. How long does this take? Oh wait, just had to just scroll down. But yeah, it's still doing things. Well, I guess it's downloading. It's re-downloading everything. Okay, pre-generated. Can you just skip scrolling? Okay. Shaders. Vulkan SDK environment not set. We'll search for tools in system path. Maybe I can set the variable. Shader depends on. Okay, that's pretty good. Build files have been written. Okay, great. Now we just have to launch the build. Yes. Please no errors, please no errors, please no errors. Wait. Errors. No. Video encoder. Video encoder Android. Yeah. That's okay. Where is this? Of course. Of course is yeah, okay. Get this. So where is this? Android encoder and audio encoder. So that's the modules encoder. I'm gonna need to modify the CMake. Encoder. Where is this used? Because the encoder is not, it's not made for being included in Windows builds, and should also be the case for Linux builds. So Win32 else if Android, there you go. So if you have Android, if it's Win32, copy assets. I don't think it needs assets, but if Win32 okay, is there any other if statement? So it must be coming from somewhere else. Let's see the main CMake. So encoder should not be included. Let me have a look at this. Not the Android. Of course, the Android will include it. It is for Android, but the Windows one. Okay, weird. It includes it. The Windows one includes it. How is this being computed? Can I just on the Linux one just not have it? It should do it. Oh yeah, I have to remember that I need to save files here. It's not like with Sea Lion where you don't need to save anything. Okay. Copy does not exist, you're right. And I think copy assets. Well, copy asset will be needed. So, or Linux, does it work like this? I'm just gonna add a new block here. Yeah, let's just don't show this again, please. Ooh, what's no member named append range? No, there you go. By the way, why are you compiling it? Hey, I show Minecraft. What's up? Why is no matching call? Oh. C++ issues. STD 23, no member append range. Let's see. Thanks, mate. It's going all good. So I don't. As soon as I make this working, I can start planning for distribution and have some kind of server up and running for everyone to test. Append range does not exist in ++ 23 or any standard yet. It's proposed as an addition. Oh no. So Clang is right. Even with 23 it won't find it. It's not yet. Oh. Replace append range. But it's so handy. It would be so handy. Wait, what? Use of undeclared identifier. Okay, that's weird. So many errors. Yeah, I might need to update the compiler. Hey, what's up? What's up? I'm just making my VR Minecraft-like game. So this is how it looks like right now. I'm working on right now I'm working on the server. I wanted to port the server to Linux so I can send it to cloud provider and have it run 24 hours for everyone to test. So yeah, the server is working on Windows, but yeah, it's not very flexible if I run it on Windows. Also, it's gonna be expensive from the license point of view, and also there are a couple of ways that you can run the application. By the way, where am I? So this is the joining. This is the playing server, and you act as a server, and at the same time you also play the game. So this is handy for when you want to host the game yourself and invite some players to join on on a private server, on a private world. And of course then there will be a shared world which will be persistent and where you can play with other people and do all the crazy stuff that I'm planning to implement. So that's the other player right there. Okay, there you go. So as you can see, multiplayer, very basic. So this is just to set up some of the main components that I want to implement there. And that's pretty much it. So that is me. See? But it's very local right now, so I guess got a long way to go. But the terrain generation is working fine, and you can play it in VR as well. I don't have the setup right now, but it's the same game. So I'm planning on releasing it on multiple platforms. I'll have to see if that plays out nicely, because different platforms will have different kind of way of playing. So I don't know, maybe that unlocks pretty cool ways to interact, and that's going to be fun. As you can see, it also works with the controller, so if you don't want to play, but yeah, this is the state as for today. Trying to make it as robust as possible. It will be it will be server authenticated, so I'm trying to make it as fair as possible and not like people will it's going to be authoritative, so you can't really you don't have a lot of surface for cheating, unless I'm gonna try to make it as fair as possible. It's open source, so there's a good chance that people will just grab the source and build it their own client. So that's why I'm trying to work on the multiplayer in a way that makes it in the long run makes it fair to play. Anyway, so that's the state as for today. Right now I'm battling against my Ubuntu machine, and I have the feeling that I will need to upgrade. I need to upgrade the compiler to the latest version. Okay, that is likely gonna take some time. By the way, it will support the Oculus Quest 2 and 3. I'm not planning on adding support to the Quest 1. It's kind of dead right now, but if there is enough ask, then I might consider that too. It's pretty low end, so I don't expect very good frame rate anyway. So let's remove what do we have right now. Okay, let's do a cleanup. Now add the official, currently Clang 19 or 20. Okay, what is that 20 thing at the end? Do the bash. Yeah, I want a 20. Let's see. What's the latest LVM version? Try the new AI mode. Yeah, I know, it's right here. Like, you don't need to. Oh, okay. Now this is different. 21. How do I install it on a Ubuntu Windows Linux subsystem? Okay, that's that feels pretty cool. Actually, maybe I'm just gonna switch. I'm gonna switch AI friend. Wait, what? Run LLVM script. Is it gonna grab the latest though? To install. If you need specific version. All right. Sudo apt get. Sudo clang 20. Sudo update alternatives. Install specific version. Okay, wait. Why there's so many instructions? Sudo apt upgrade. I haven't done this. I guess doesn't hurt. Okay, this is gonna be long. Oh, this is gonna take a while. I tried to read in the meantime. So run the automated installation script to the latest stable version. What is the latest stable version? I want to play risky. So latest LLVM release is 21. Oh, cool. I want that. Ask GPT. I've got a better friend. It's Google AI. Okay, let's do this. Cool. I guess I'm gonna destroy my PC. What? What is that? This script must be run as root. Yeah, of course. Of course. Okay. apt.llvm.org. Yeah, that should be fine. It's not like I'm running a random script provided by the LLM, right? Is it gonna have any hidden characters? I hope not. Clang version. Okay. Oh, it's done. Really? Is that it? No, of course it's not. So, so what have you done? What has it actually done? The following new package Clang 20. Okay, maybe I have to sudo apt install Clang. Clang 20, is that how you call it? Okay. Oh. But wait. To install a specific. Okay, that's there. Now. Now. Let's come back to the CMake and I'm gonna run clean reconfigure. Okay, that's it. There is no such thing. But why did you do that? I now have Clang 20, but not Clang command. Oh, use alternatives. Run the Clang++. Is that it? Yeah, I think that's what also... Yeah, what also this guy told me to do. Yep. Yeah, actually, GBD was better. Yeah, I must admit, this is doing some research, but GBD was better. Sorry, Googly, GBD was better here. What? Please enter current choice or only what? Config. Manual mode. Or choose your version. Clang 20 priority. Well, what's the difference? Okay, Clang version. There you go. 20.1. I was expecting 21 though. Okay, no problem. I'm pretty sure I can live with that. Because what's the can I just say it? Yeah. What's the Clang version in the NDK for Android? That's so much better. No more typing. My hands is gonna. Okay, stable Clang. Yeah, what's a version number though? 18. You sure it's 18? Noted a version. Yeah, I think you have pretty old data. R29. Never mind. I don't really care. So let's do the rebuild. Good, doing good. Come on, baby. Just do me this compilation. Oh, wait, it's done. Do me the compilation, please. So we can end this madness. No, what's wrong? What's wrong again? Wait, what? Why are you using GCC? Can I use libcxx? Yeah, probably want to use libcxx instead. Okay, so the problem is that the standard library it's trying to use. Let's try to feed this into Google and thinking. Okay. Okay. No, bro. Should I just change the standard library to Clang's one? Hmm. Okay. Guess I'm just gonna have to get rid of the fancy functions. Such a bummer. Such a bummer. Well, I guess it's yeah, it's available on Android. Why does it work with NDK? So confusing. How can I switch? CMake. All right. Might just work. In that case, my problem is solved. Otherwise, well, I'm gonna have to go back in ancient way of doing it. Save. Wait. Else if with no arguments. Yeah, right. Else if. No, it's gonna be just else. Yeah, oh, thanks, what the fuck, blub. I'll figure it out. But there is a more in-depth explanation here of things that I don't really understand. I guess I'm gonna go back to it and understand a bit more. I'm not really very familiar with Linux. lib c++ dev. Do I have to install it? Yeah, I don't have time to read all of this stuff. I just want to make it work. But yeah, thanks for the heads up. Now what? Utility file not found. Huh? Now it's breaking something else. What the heck is this utility? What is utility, by the way? Oh, it's a header. Okay, yeah, I guess I'll figure it out in the next stream. For now, I'm just yeah, I'm gonna stop it here and RTX gaming. Skibidi. And I'd say guys, I'm gonna leave you the Discord link if you want to join. I'm gonna hop off right now, and I'll see you in the next stream where hopefully I'll get this stuff fixed and we can have some gameplay running. So see you soon, or see you in Discord. Bye bye.